Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to talk about why your car rides like shit, because people can't seem to figure that out. So, in America, we have this culture of putting rims on cars. Here's the thing, right, this is your tire. All of this space is tire. All of this. That is rubber and air, right? That makes sense. This is steel or metal, whichever you have. Because there are rims that are like magnesium and stuff like that, but typically people who have magnesium rims know what they're doing. But here's the problem here is that people are not really paying attention when they buy these things. And they're just kind of buying whatever they please. And it just doesn't work like that. Oh, fuck, I'm trying to... Because your rims probably look like this. And if you know anything about anything, right? Rubber is, well, it's pretty bendy. Especially when it's filled with air. So when you're going over a rough surface, in this is going to go up and down a lot, right? Because there's nothing here that's going to bend and shape around the land. But you're going over a rough surface in this tire, the tire itself will bend to match. But everyone wants these because they look cool. But they actually don't. And that's kind of the trap everyone's falling into. Don't fall into that trap. You look stupid. And your car rides like garbage. Nobody wants to be in a car like that. Get some sidewall.